These heat pumps are made by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. The brand is only available through authorized dealers and the network is somewhat limited. The heat pumps use louvered metal panel construction to better protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage due to debris thrown from a lawnmower or from hail than brands that use slotted panels or a wire coil guard. The GSZ14 is a basic unit with their Smart Shift technology where the refrigerant pressures are reduced prior to entering and exiting the defrost mode, which makes less noise and minimizes the wear and tear on the reversing valve, but the warranty on the units is not very good when compared to other brands. The GSZC18 is a premium model that features a 2-speed condenser fan and the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's HVAC systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. The units have advanced comfort alert diagnostics with diagnostic indicator lights and the ability to store 6 fault codes, which makes troubleshooting much quicker and easier. Their guarantee is not as good as the ASZC18 models, which have a lifetime unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure. The GVZC20 and AVZC20 models are their entries in the ultimate category, and they have the latest in compressor technology for energy savings and very quiet operation. They have a field-selectable boost mode that increases compressor speed during unusually high loads to ensure comfort at all times. The guarantee on the AVZC20 models is better than the GVZC20 models. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.